Alright, so you've learned how to sign 1 through 10. Now it's time to move on and do 10 through 20. Just like 1 through 10, 11 through 15 are going to have one pattern, and then 16 through 19 are going to have another pattern, and then 20 is going to be a whole separate sign on its own. That will make more sense when you learn your 20s. So go ahead and get started. The very last sign that we left off with was 10, which was thumbs up, and you shake it, 10. Moving to 11, you do the same sign that you did for 1, but because it's two ones put together when you're writing it, you're going to bounce 1. And then, as I said, 11 through 15 have a pattern, which is going to be this finger bouncing. So 1 or 11, 12 is 2 fingers bounce, 13 is 3 fingers bounce, 14 is 4 fingers bounce, and 15 is 5 fingers bounce. Now in 13 and 15, your thumb is extended. I have not seen a video that shows the thumb coming in. I always see just one of the 4, or all of the 4 bouncing. So 13 and 15 should just have these fingers bouncing with the thumb staying stationary. Now it's time to move on to 16. Same as we did with 1 through 10, you don't have 6 fingers that you can bounce, and for these basic numbers, you're only using one hand, you're not using 2 yet. So what they did was they showed that you had to add 10 plus the number to make whatever number it is you're trying to make. So for instance, 16, you had to take 10 plus 6 to make 16. So you're going to put thumbs up to show 10, and then you're going to rotate your hand around to make 6. So 16, 17, 18, 19, and then as I said, 10 and 20 are just kind of odd numbers that don't make sense now, but will make sense when you learn the numbers after them. Just like 10, you can see now how 10 fits. 20, you're going to make a little birdie beak, and you're going to tap it twice. So 20. So that's a breakdown of each one of the numbers from 10 to 20. I'm going to go through them once now, very slowly. You can practice with me, get these down pat, and then you can move on to your next video and start learning 20 through 30. So here we go. We just did 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I hope you found this to be helpful. Practice numbers 10 through 20, get those down pat, and then move on to 20 and 30. Thanks so much. Have fun.